When we are hungry, our stomach produces a hormone called ghrelin that stimulates the digestive system and signals the brain to increase appetite. As a result, the muscles in the stomach and intestines contract and move digestive juices around, which can cause the gurgling or growling noises we hear. These noises, also known as borborygmi, are more audible when the stomach and intestines are empty, and there is less fluid and food to muffle the sounds. So, the next time your stomach makes noises when you're hungry, it's simply a natural response to the digestive process.